Hi friends, a very good morning to all. This is Deepalakshimi. I am studying in 10th standard. My school name is Ramakrishna Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Padunelli. Now I talk about Myna. The range of the common Myna is increasing at such a rapid rate that in 2000 the IUCN spices several combinations declared it one of the world's most invasive species and one of only three birds listed among 100 of the world's worst invasive species that pose a threat to biodiversity, agriculture, and human interests. In particular, the species poses a serious threat to the Australia where it was named the most important pest problem. Thank you.